as you can see here. This plane is called the Lockheed F117 Nighthawk. It was developed in the late 1970s, and it is, as you can see here, a stealth attack aircraft. Don't be fooled by its name. Although it has an F at the front, which stands for fighter, it wasn't actually a fighter plane. And if it did meet a fighter plane, it would be absolutely doomed, because this plane relies only on stealth. It has no other defenses whatsoever. It does not have chaff, it does not have flares, it does not have missiles, it does not have guns. The only thing it is armed with is 2 bombs. 2 bombs only. But these 2 bombs are not your normal bombs. So one thing that you will probably notice is the F117 is painted the same color as the SR-71. The reason why is because it uses a paint that absorbs radar, but it absorbs radar much better than the SR-71's paint. Mainly because it's not just black. There are also other materials that are put into the plane. In addition to that, it was one of the first planes to use a computer simulation to make it stealthy. That's why, as you can see in the plane, all of these corners are very jagged and very, not very smooth. The reason why is because computers in the 1970s were not able to process smooth surfaces and predict how radar would bounce off that smooth surfaces. They were not as powerful as modern day computers, but it was a sort of a effort to create such a plane, and it was successful. And this plane had a very, very small radar signature. Although this plane, as you can see, is pretty big, the radar signature, like sort of the cross section, what you would see on the radar, is about the size of like a baby bird compared to this, and that's incredibly hard to track. In addition to that, it was given some of the most advanced guided bomb technologies. If you zoom in closely, just this is the cockpit. That's why you can see windows. This is something else. If you see this is actually this is actually a laser that guides bombs. So when it drops its bombs, this laser will guide its bombs. Now, although it's not visible, there's another one of these at the bottom of the plane, so that when the plane passes over its target, the bottom laser can guide bomb. So that's already a few very advanced technologies. Another technology that was used, just find another picture where I can show you that better. Sure, this works, okay. So although you can't actually see the